If you are wondering if Xiaomi 17T has floating window mode, then the answer is yes. You can easily use the pop-up view for pretty much every app, maybe with some exceptions, but still you should be able to use it. The first option that allows you to activate this pop-up view is by opening app. First you open the app, then you go to the recent or background apps, and then you can press and hold your finger on the app to reveal these additional options, and then you need to choose this icon over here, this rectangle inside a rectangle. And there we go, we have opened an app in the pop-up view. The second option that allows you to open an app in the floating window mode is if you use gestures for navigation, you can swipe from the bottom to the upper right corner. As you can see here, we have this icon that indicates that we can drop an app over here and use it in the pop-up view. There we go. And the third option that allows you to open the app in the pop-up view is by using the sidebar. So if you have sidebar enabled, any app that you open in here opens in the pop-up view. You can of course grab by the corner the opened app in the floating windows mode to adjust its size. You can also tap on these three dots in order to find some additional options, and if you have this line at the bottom of the screen, then you can drag it down in order to open the app again in the full screen mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.